Kamjong ina phungyer shong wartam rin kala health sector li mi khanga chap nga zanla kai na khalei chingsho katam naw long na thekwi her Churachandpur shong power station staff le assault sawada MSPCL meeting na makhamya phongsho kaira Ringyaophi Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Mahak Ningshen ina phami dali pau ping mai saina nangram sa Kamjong kala phungyer shong wartam rin kala health sector li leiran makhalei nga zanla kai na khalei thekhui haira Kamjong kala phungyer subdivisional headquarters li education kala health sector we ka shok kazang zingsho katam nawlong na inspect ka sali khawat leida khalei taraka thekhui haira Long jina pi magada katum aina magada mati thang inspection khawawi chanbaw aya mi shoka Kamjong Higher Secondary School li zadda khalei academic session li katam naw shakani hangshini da mati le thumra da khani na class 12 hang madi da khani na class 11 kala shakani shikhana high school section li mingjan kasana chi 2021 kum Warshimchi Higher Secondary level the upgrade sai kha rashungda Higher Secondary section with post sanction kasam leitwa lecturers shini mangle utilized lecturers akha kala principal in charge the Higher Secondary katam naw ping wuivang physics chemistry biology kala social science with subject lecturers malai manachi high school sanction lila teaching staff ngajab dale Infrastructure kathar science block, arts block, kala girls hostel rashungda masem kupranga. Leida kala staff quarters kala boys hostel la condition zakshida maintenance thaklagai na darkar sahirachi. Warshim chili teaching faculty wuivang residential quarters malai manachi. Kamjong district hospital li hitharan staff khangajab infrastructure khavat we kajot ngaphang dakle thekwi haira. Arishang medical officers, A&M technician, pharmacists, caretaker, kala security personnel, leiran malaitura. Service mathada mikhavai kalang chaptale. Ka kayakha zingshat atam li ringian hauta functional masamanaji. Medical officers sanction post tharawing ajaili, mati mangle, staff nurse thara leiran akamang leidale. Staff ngajab hauta arishangji ngashun ngaya pongta masho mirror tuwa. Kala superannuated staff li kashin makhale paula sampanga rules kala guidelines ati shurda arishang jili dental surgeon khani medical officers thara anesthesiologist aka physician aka pediatrician aka pathologist aka surgeon aka male health supervisors khani ophthalmic assistant aka pharmacist khani UDC aka, community organizer aka, kala computer operator aka leiran kachina. Kamjong District Hospital li emergency and trauma center la tarkar salakinali. NCD block kala multi-utility guest house, training hall, auditorium la tarkar sadali. Arishang jili malaria, AIDS, TB kala leprosy with facilities la tarkar sayan. District jili facilities chi akala malaymana. Mi tinghang mati da panga. Langda service mida kung natatay da we akamang kaji Kamjong District Hospital ji mathamida kahai kala upgrade saran ka sa darkar saya kala upgrade ji kamataya sada thaklak ina yang sangmik darkar saya da jingsho katam nawlong hangairam Phungyer Higher Secondary School li yang hitharan concerned authorities na yangra kahai natatay da thekwi hairam Higher Secondary section the lecturers regular mati kala contractuals lecturers khani mangle mathematics home science education kala geography wuivang akala malai manachi high school sanction the science teachers shini arts teachers matile worship jile sanction teaching staff hang phangada kathumnaji worship jile kathar mikhavai facility smart classroom science block kala arts block darkar sadle Leida kala infrastructure je thakta renovate kasa maningaka repairing kasa darkar saya ji haira Phungyer Higher Secondary School li zadda kala academic session hile kadam naw shakhani langda layachi pau hi jingsho kadam naw longna thaiga khuya thishurda phong khamina Churachandpur shong essential service personnel pingli attack sawada Manipur State Power Company Limited MSPCL na makhamya ngawaw haira 33/11 kV Tuila substation Churachandpurli Gupta ngazin pung phanga makhai shikali zakshilak aina assault sawa da hang mathang chanpau kshokli SST 9 kala SST 3rd unit with staff being malung kharing phongshokta ochoche public service workers being direct attack kasana da hang worker pingwe fundamental rights kala safety li sajaya gaji hang sanga Chanpao Chuwati Shurda duty gazadli officer in charge Zangda MSPCL employees Shinili Zakmai Magatai Mina assault Sawa Rudin Ngazin Chili Rot Marata staff members Ngadaday Dali Sazahawaji MSPCL employees na Kathaka Kala Tharza Kahai investigation demand Sahiram Kala Atam Mazangla Mashun Bichar Mikhavai Pohira Tuila Area Chief Association TSCA kala relevant parties ka daily nga kauta maramji customary law at issuda tharsang mikhavai pohira ochot maramji matharsang miakha official law and order abong ina sahawra gachi hangmatin haira kabonga safety boda jigatha reka crack otsakchi mashok nga saklui mara gachi kabit ina tui mikhavai MSPCL staff na demand saira secured kasa working environment kala essential service workers ina local community chingri ina pam khangarum tarkar kasa hangsaira MSPCL team na Chanpao Kushok Maram Hiwi copies Deputy General Manager SST 3rd Unit TSCA kala concerned stakeholders ka daily miwa haira da hang Kanuitot nishari shijin khangwe kham khawai phaikar kakhwili katomi kahai wuivang Mahak village authority da ningkashi phongshok haira Mahak village authority Mahak development council na aya tarik Mahak thang ningkashi tui mishoka Mahak leihali kanuitot ping ari arai shijin khangwe kachungka le kahai wuivang hina khuwe kapan rampan mawunpam kaphung kharing kharakala khuwi rega sangli sakaze kahakha le kahai wuivang ari arai kala kakhayit shikachin kala khayor hi ram hiwi ina shimit khawai 2022 wi ina saklak ina yangsang mamanachi 2024 khuwi general body gazip tutakli Mahak ramli ari arai kakhayit ot shikachin kala khayor masa pai marada tuitak khuyachi Jane Soda, Kamjong District with CMO Sakasa Dr. Lucy Duidang with Team Hope Ministry Rehabilitation Center Mayoshang Gasar. Project Director with Team Kala Reverend Veremi Zingkai Pastor Kangkui Pungter Baptist Church Atam Resource Person Samida Mahak Village Development Council na Drug Substance Abuse Maramni Katumthang with Seminar Kala Consultation Makok Mia. Achugum pi kachang we tarik akai na khnili life care treatment and rehabilitation care for drug users with managing director Arthur with teamna ari arai shikachin bingli counseling mathalak ina sami hailaga P15 ina hapokta tatraha 15 ina tangda kachang aka the dogs the addiction camp rungmia Kem hi Mahak ngaleili leida khale organization pingjia Mahak village authority Mahak development council Mahak shinaulong Mahak youth club kala Mahak Baptist church na makhok laka Kamjong CMO Dr. PS Leishiwon with team Dr. Ranyo ngashangvu MO na supervise sa khami wa jingli nurse khani juhomia WTR with CAO Sir Samson Jajo na awishipai khani juhomi laga atumi ngachon khami manga aina kachang akawi the dogs the addiction kemji mapung phalakai na singa haira da hanga Khi hikatha makhamatha environment na sashimanda khalei wuivang khna ngachon mikhavai ngakau khangyi concern khalei pingli khangakau tharan saikorana mathalakai na ngachon khami manga aina khi phasarin kala manglarin khnini hi samatha ka khui sam kaphang ngasa haira da hanga hi wuivang mi avu wi aming mahang salala Shiruk Kui Mikhavai organization ranu individual ranu katom mikhavai saikorali ningshiya khairagachi Mahak village development council chairman Aleng Shaizana kapishoka NSCN GBRN atokilonser avakar ungi kachi wuivang ukrul headquarters li Tangkhul na shakjangda ngaranda mathantup otsadale Avakrali welcome kasa poster, wall painting, mural painting, hikatha kala billboard, ukrul mangli maningla, Tangkhul liram saikorali tetwa haira. Puino Bazar li khalei Ukrul headquarter Ringyaophi li ot kasali hunphun kadam now long HKL nala volunteer sadali. Avakher unki kachili HKL nala katomda honjingjing khalei HKL president na pongshoka.
Union, we're preparing our best, decorating through the drawing arts, and we are arranging the whole through this stage preparation and the security. We're all given our best. The president of Hunpung Nolong Student Union, we are in a full swing for preparation for the coming of our Avakher TH Miva Adok Launcher. We welcome each and every Tangkhul community to join the meeting, and in particular Hunpung to come and join in this historical event. Thank you.
Wuivang hili security li compromise masalak marata TNL Vice President RS Jolison nakahang.
I'm RS Jolison, the Vice President of Tangkhul Nagalong, and also I'm one of the co-convener of the organizing committee. The Tangkhul Front organization has formed an organizing committee on the occasions of our beloved TH Miwa homecoming ceremony. We have received thus far unprecedented support morally, physically, financially from different walks of life, from different corners. And the preparation has been in full swing, and almost all the preparation is all set. We are ready to welcome our beloved, respected TH Miwa Atokelonsa. We are also briefing the media on the 22nd morning, that is starting from 8 a.m. at the Tangkhul Nagalong Multi Complex Hall, where all the cameras, all the equipments will be thoroughly checked. Then only after getting the security clearance, we will be giving out the media pass to the media person. Those media who fail to turn up on the briefing will be barred from entering to the venue, inside the venue. Secondly, no drones from outside will be allowed to fly above. We have conducted 3 drones. Apart from that, we will not allow to fly or use drones in the arena. And for security reasons, all the media person needs to go through the security clearance. Then only we'll be giving out the pass once again. I would like to request all the people of Ukrul to be part and parcel of these momentous occasions, the homecoming ceremony of TH Miwa, Atokelanser, GPR and NSCN. Thank you.
Nationally Shakza Khami we machine Suigata Indian State Ngachaili Assam Namathami Tweeda Take we hire. Assam national Shinao Shakza Khami 84% Suida hire. Mayor Nauli 91% Suida hire Gaji just right for children na Pongmi. Tipping points to 0 evidence towards a child marriage free India Gaji report Athishurda child marriage Kakamni Paikar Mathami Tweeda Gakui Assam Natada Gaji India today Northeast na Pongmi. Survey G states nga datay dali yang kuya Maharashtra kala Bihar lila child marriage 70% Suida hire. Rajasthan li 66% kala Karnataka li 55% Suida hire ji. Assam with sadistic Mathami Twigachi hi enforcement mechanism awareness campaign kala socio-economic intervention wuivang na ji. Child rights advocates na kahang mga khaba tekwi hailala child marriage shimit chow machirang lakai na tangda ot makupsang ranga. Meite kala kugizo tu shot hi ngami khui khawai chingri kahai chan ngazek himang na apong na da Manipur Director General of Police DGP Rajiv Singh na hanghaira. Manipur Police we 134th Rising Day Kamyonli Singh na kamatwili 2023 li haugopok tu shot we na force china kasak khangapang maram hanga. Ka chingri kahai kala normalcy khiralushit khawai police na ningtong da horsanga kaji pongshoka. Mi shakhani hang trokata ti haira ting ting shim jiho haira lan taraka sa shiman haira kaji hang sanga. TGP na community kanini ishiwui mi pingli kasata chan ngazek wuivang rang rok khawai katong haira. Reconciliation hi chan ngazek mga ina raki kachina. Force ina maramara stakeholders saikoro wuivang paning sangda community kanishina jingri kahai chan ngazek khui khara himangna sustainable solution na kaji hang sanga. Manipur Police civilian friendly force na kala tu shot ang rethi yang gasangli mijang masama na kachi hangsang. Security operation maramli sing na kahang ammunition 30,000 round, 3,014 illegal arms recovered sa Hiram, 1,000 illegally possessed weapon kala 15,000 round ammunition voluntarily hamsang haira da hanga. Ladrida achiwi kamataya pauping. Kamjong ina pungyer shong wartam rin kala health sector li mi khangachap nga zanlaki na khalei chingsho katam naulong na thekwi her. Churachandpur shong power station staff li assault sawada MSPCL miping na makhamya phongshokair. Achiwi pau hiling achang hair. Pao na da khlei Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi kala khamhai zimik shong sa seren.